How to use text visitor registration for a seamless open house experience. Looking for a quick, contactless way for guests to register at your open house? Text-based visitor registration offers a simple, mobile-friendly solution to collect visitor information on the spot. No pen, no paper needed. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up text visitor registration for your next open house. How text visitor registration works. With text registration, visitors can register as soon as they arrive. Open House Wizard creates a unique code specific to your open house event address. All visitors need to do is text this code, receive a registration link, and fill in their details, all from their phones. Getting started with text visitor registration. Step 1. Log into your Open House Wizard account. Start by logging into Open House Wizard. New to the platform? No problem. You can quickly create an account at openhousewiz.com. Step 2. Set up a new property or choose an existing listing. On your dashboard, select the property you'd like to manage or add a new listing if it's your first time setting up. Make sure all the property details and photos are ready to go. Step 3. Create a text code flyer for registration. Navigate to the Add Flyer option for your property. Complete the necessary details, including a main photo and 2 additional photos. Hit the Create Flyer button, and your text code flyer will be sent directly to your email. Step 4. Display the text code flyer for visitors. Print the flyer or display it digitally at the open house entrance. You can also add the text code to property signage, custom flyers, or an iPad display for an eye-catching registration prompt. How visitors register by text. 1. Send the code. When visitors arrive, they simply text the unique code like OpenHouse123 to the toll-free number displayed. 2. Receive registration link. They'll instantly get a reply with a link to your registration form. 3. Complete the form. They fill out the form, submit it, and they're officially registered. No paperwork, no waiting in line. Manage and follow up with visitors. With Open House Wizard, tracking and following up with your visitors is easy. Real-time registration tracking. Track each registration as it happens from your dashboard, so you're always up to date on attendance. Automated follow-up messages. Send thank you messages or property details right after they register. Automated emails and texts keep your follow-ups professional and efficient. Drip email campaigns. Keep visitors engaged with a customizable drip email campaign, delivering follow-up messages at just the right time to stay top of mind. Benefits of text-based visitor registration. Easy, contactless process. Visitors register safely by simply texting a code. No tech required. Texting is familiar to everyone, so no need for extra equipment or apps. Organized data management. Visitor information is securely stored digitally, eliminating messy paperwork. Effortless follow-up. Automated messages reach out post-event with extra details, updates, or a friendly thank you. Text registration is a fantastic way to stay organized, create a modern, efficient open house experience, and keep visitors engaged long after they leave. Give text-based registration a try at your next open house and enjoy the streamlined convenience it brings to you and your guests.